Madam Chair, am I recognized?
You may proceed, Honorable Tino.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Well, Madam Chair, una follow-up lang dun sa ni-raise ni Congressman Jokno. Mr. Madriaga says na meron siyang cellphone at nandun yung mga text message. Can the committee then subpoena the phone with the text messages, Madam Chair? Anyway, mentioned siya sa affidavit, and I think we should have access to such messages to verify the affidavit.
The Chair intends to defer discussion on the issuance of subpoena of further evidence and witnesses until all the resource persons that we have invited have been presented. Please
Then-
understand that we have a long line of witnesses to present, and each one of them have documents to present as well. So until and unless we are done with them, let us defer from discussing the necessity of issuing subpoena for additional evidence. Honorable Tino.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Then I will just make the motion at the proper time.
Madam Chair.
May I just correct myself in the use of witness? All the persons we invited are resource persons and not witnesses.
Madam Chair,
That's for the guidance also of the justice members.
I would like to make a motion to include the supplemental affidavit to the fourth impeachment complaint, Madam Chair. So I move.
You are adopting the supplemental affidavit of Ramil Madriaga in support of the fourth impeachment complaint.
Yes, thank you.
Is that a motion, Honorable Abante?
I'm making a motion, Madam Chair.
So do I hear a second to that? Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted.
Madam Chair, may I
The Honorable Laila de Lima.
thank you, Madam Chair. May I also make the same motion?
There is likewise a motion for the adoption of
Insofar
the
as the
supplemental affidavit
Insofar as the Sabalia et al. Complaint.
of Ramil Madriaga
Yes.
to be part of the third impeachment complaint, Sabalia et al. Complaint. Do I hear a second?
Second, Madam Chair.
The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is likewise granted. May we know if Honorable Tino has concluded?
No.
Not yet?
I
You
have
may
not yet
continue.
started, Madam Chair. Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair. Una, sinabi po dito, tumawag si VP Sara kay Mr. Madriaga at inatas na to coordinate with Colonel Nolasco. At sinabi sa paragraph 56, nagkita sila, at tinext siya ni Colonel Nolasco, and then nagkita sila sa DepEd Central Office. Okay. Madam Chair, pwedeng ma-clarify lang, bakit po nagkita sa DepEd Central Office at ano ba ang role ni Colonel Nolasco? Bakit nasa DepEd siya?
Honorable Tino, I lament that your question is a probing question already.
Well, Madam Chair, is it...
Maybe you can just
I am
ask the resource person to confirm if indeed
Oo.
Nolasco was there, they met in DepEd, but to go beyond what is contained in the supplemental affidavit would amount to probing already, testing the statement or the allegations contained
No,
in
Madam
the
Chair,
affidavit.
actually, gusto ko lang po malinaw, sino ba si Colonel Nolasco? Ano ang role niya? I mean, context. It's to provide...
Okay, you may proceed.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Who is?
Oo, who is Colonel Nolasco? Ano ba ang papel? Officially, ano ang kanyang role sa DepEd? Kung alam lang po ni Mr. Madriaga.
Mr. Madriaga?
Si Colonel Nolasco po nung time na nanalo po si VP Sara, ang sinabi po niya sa akin baka pwedeng lumipat na po siya ng VP-SPG nung nalaman niyang mag-separate na po. Sabi po niya sa akin baka pwedeng ipalipat mo na ako doon. Kaya po, nailipat ko siya doon. Then sinabi niya, siya po daw ang inilagay as security officer
Ayun.
for DepEd.
Ayun, okay. So thank you Mr. Madriaga. At yun nga po, so naklaro na si Colonel Nolasco ang security officer ng VP SPG na naka-assign sa DepEd.
Opo.
Kaya dun po sila nagkita sa DepEd. So yun po yung clarification na gusto natin dito. To further emphasize, member siya ng VP SPG. Yung VP SPG, yan yung Vice Presidential Protection and Security Group. Okay, thank you. Ngayon, ito naman, sabi nyo sa paragraph 60, at around 3 or 4 p.m., may dalawang sasakyan na dumating. Tapos sabi ni Colonel Nolasco, ayan na. And then, Colonel La Chica appeared with a lady. Okay, si Colonel La Chica naman. Sino po si Colonel La Chica?
Si Colonel La Chica po, yung sinabi ko kay Colonel Nolasco na kumuha ka ng magli-lead sa inyo
Okay.
sa BP SPG. Kasi hindi pa po siya pwede dahil Lieutenant Colonel pa lang po siya nun. So, kailangan po ng full-fledged Colonel.
Okay, so si Colonel La Chica ang head ng VP SPG.
Opo, siya po yung naging head.
Okay, so si Colonel La Chica, head ng VP SPG, tapos naka-assign siya sa Office of the Vice President.
Opo.
Tama po. Tapos ito namang si Colonel Nolasco, VP SPG din, pero naka-assign sa DepEd. At nagkita sila sa DepEd. At may kasama siyang, sabi nyo nga, si Colonel La Chica, kasama niya yung isang babae at meron silang bit-bit na 4 na large dark bags. Tama po.
Tama po.
So sila
Your Honor.
ang may dala nung pera.
Opo.
Okay. At sinabi nyo, Colonel Nolasco told me that each bag contained around 30 million pesos to 35 million pesos. 4 na bag, 30 to 35 million pesos.
Opo.
Okay. Later, sinabi nyo sa dulo ng section na ito, a few years later, I read from several media reports that the 125 million pesos OVP confidential funds in 2022 were reportedly utilized in just 11 days. This is wrong because I personally disposed the money in less than 24 hours. No? Bakit po nyo nasabi yun na 125 days? Let me just confirm. Dahil po ba na yung 4 na bag, kapag ka in addition natin, 30 million to 35 million, pwedeng magtotal ng 125 million. Tama po ba?
Tama po. Your Honor.
Kaya sinabi nyo sa dulo na mukhang ito yung 125 million.
Opo,
Tama
Your
po
Honor.
ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Okay. Tapos, sinabi nyo, yung babae na kasama ni Colonel La Chica na nasa Office of the Vice President, sabi nyo rito, you later learned to be Special Disbursement Officer Gina Acosta. So sabi nyo, nung nagkita kayo, hindi nyo siya kilala. Tama po ba?
Opo, Madam Chair. Opo, Your Honor.
You just later learned na siya pala si Gina Acosta.
Tama po, Your
At
Honor.
siya ay Special Disbursement Officer. Ngayon, mahalaga po itong datos na ito. Could you just please explain yung who I later learned to be? Bakit nyo po nasabing who I later learned to be? Paano nangyari yon? When did you later learn it?
Yung unang nakita ko po siya nung time na yon, hindi ko pa po siya kilala.
Okay.
Tapos nakita ko po siya news nung 2024.
Okay.
Yung same face po nung babae na nakita ko, yung pagkaiba lang po yung headband. Na
Okay.
siya po si STO.
So
Acosta.
nakita nyo napanood nyo na lang later sa isang news
Opo,
report
sa
sa TV at sabi nyo, yung nakita ko, yung pala si Special Disbursement Officer Gina Acosta. Ngayon, Bakit po importante yung datos na yung detalyeng ito? Dahil just for the record, Madam Chair, ang Special Disbursement Officer ng Office of the Vice President, siya yung direktang inappoint ng Vice President para humawak at mamahagi ng confidential funds. Yun lang po ang gusto nating manote dito. Okay. Tapos sinabi nyo, may 4 na bags, tapos nag-deliver kayo on the day of December 20 up to the morning of December 21.
Opo.
Tama po. Okay. Importante rin po yung dates na yon, Madam Chair, kasi December 20 na-release, ayon sa COA, pwedeng ma-confirm ng COA later, doon na in cash pala. Doon na in cash. December 20 was the day on which the confidential funds, the 125 million peso confidential funds was encashed.
That is your manifestation.
Yes, it's a manifestation. Okay. Nagbibigay lang po tayo ng context dito sa statement, Madam Chair. Okay. Tapos, tama po ba na yung isang bag ay binigay nyo sa mga tauhan ng, sabi nyo, a politician, no, sa Cabuyao. Tama po ba? Cabuyao, Laguna.
Tama po, Madam Chair.
At
Tama
sabi
po,
nyo,
Your
the
Honor.
first bag for a politician in Laguna. Tama,
Tama
po. Okay. Sino tong politician?
That's a probing question already, Honorable
Okay.
Tino.
Paano nyo nalaman na politician?
Ayun po yung sinabi sa akin ni BP Sara.
Okay.
Bawi tayo sa kanila.
Okay, bawi tayo sa kanila. Ano ibig sabihin ng bawi tayo sa
That's
kanila?
a probing
That is a
question
probing
already,
question.
Honorable Tino.
Okay. Sige. So, nagbigay kayo ng isang bag
Opo.
sa politician o para sa politician. Hindi yung politician ang direktang binigyan nyo.
Hindi po, may
May
representative po
tauhan.
siya.
Okay. So, nagbigay kayo ng isang bag, possibly 30 to 35 million. Tapos yung pangalawang bag, binigay nyo sa isang tauhan ni Attorney Munsayak. Tama po ba?
Hindi ko po alam kung tauhan niya yun, pero sa taas po namin nilagay nung kasama ko. Nandun din naman po ako.
Okay. Hindi nyo alam. Basta nandoon siya. Hindi ba tinuro kayo sa itaas?
Opo, sa taas
Sino ang
po.
nagturo sa itaas?
Si Attorney Reynold Bonsayak po.
O, si Attorney Munsayak, tinuro ka sa itaas, tapos dun sa itaas, inabot mo yung pera. Tama po ba?
UC. Kami po, si Arman po mismo yung nag-abot yung kasama
Si
ko
Arma,
po.
hindi yung kasama mo.
Opo.
Kasama ka rin sa taas.
Siya po yung umabot sa second floor, ako po halfway doon sa may platform.
Halfway lang. Okay. Tapos sabi mo dito sa affidavit mo, paglabas nyo, I looked at him and he nodded.
Opo.
Tama po.
Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin,
Tama po.
nagtanguan kayo.
Opo.
Okay, so parang acknowledgement dun sa transaksyon.
Opo.
Okay. Tapos nung kasunod na araw, so in other words, nagbigay ka rin ng isang bag na posibleng may 30 to 35 million.
Opo.
Tama po.
Opo, Mr.
Tapos
Chair.
yung dalawang remaining bag, sabi nyo, sa sunod na araw na.
Opo, Madam
At
Chair.
iniwan nyo lang sa parking lot ng Office
Office
of the Ombudsman. Yan po ba yung sa may
Sa Agham po.
Agham Road. Okay. Iniwan nyo lang sa parking lot. Iniwan nyo yung red Mazda. Tama po.
Opo.
At nandun yung dalawang bag. So
Opo,
pwedeng,
Madam Chair.
dalawang bag pwedeng 60 to 65 million pesos.
Tama po.
Hindi nyo alam, wala kayong sinasabi rito kung sino ang tumanggap.
Nakita ko po, pero hindi ko po kilala.
Merong tumanggap.
Opo.
Nandito ba yan sa statement mo?
Yung sa ombudsman po, nakita ko po yung kumuha ng susi.
When we arrived, the guard gave a signal directing us to park in a specific area in the OMB parking lot. We proceeded to the specific area and parked red Mazda sedan where 2 remaining bags of money were placed. We left the keys on top of the left front wheel, which is our usual practice when delivering large amounts of money. wala po kayong binabanggit na ngayon may sinasabi kayo na may nakita kayong pwede po bang ituloy?
Yung umikot na po kami, kasi naglakad lang po kami palabas.
Okay.
Conscious din, curious lang po ako kung sino po yung
Okay.
pwedeng kumuha.
At
Other than sa guard na nag-lead sa amin, may isa pong lumapit doon. So,
may isang lumapit doon sa Red Mazda.
opo, nandun po yung guard. So, I presume yun na yun po. Nahiya naman po kung tignan-tignan pa siya. Tumuloy na po ako.
So may nakita kayong lumapit doon sa Red Mazda.
Opo, meron po.
Okay. Kilala nyo ba?
Namumukhaan ko po, pero by name hindi po.
Namumukhaan nyo po. Well, Mr. Chair,
Continue.
okay.
Some members have been saying that your questions are now probing questions, so let's just stick it to the.
I was clarifying,
Stick
Mr.
with the
Chair. It was a clarificatory question on the delivery, and it was the resource person who proffered the information that he saw an individual approach the Red Mazda sedan, Mr. Chair.
Just the same, continue. I'm reminding you na we're bound by our own rules.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. Okay. Okay. So, ayun. So, total na deliver nyo po yung mga bag. Tapos, yun nga, sa dulo, ang sabi nyo, yung 125 million na yon ay confidential funds. At any point, did anyone ever tell you na yun ay confidential funds?
Wala po.
O wala po. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Are you
Yun na
done
po.
counting? Thank you.